Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you how you can convert this empty waste cereal box into a beautiful decoration piece for the upcoming festival season. First of all, fold this and cut it on the folded side as I am showing you here. You can use scissor or the sharp cutter to cut this. After cutting it, this is how it looks like, and we'll get one side plain and one side printed. So we are going to open it, and then here I have draw a shape of leaf on a piece of paper and cut it out, and now I am going to draw the leaf shape on the cereal box. As you have seen here, you can directly draw it onto the cereal box if you feel comfortable. I feel it like easy that way. After drawing the shape, cut this leaf shape onto the cereal box. You can take any shape of your choice. We have to cut two pieces from this cereal box. After cutting, this is the shape of the leaf. After cutting the two similar pieces, this is how it looks like. As you can see here, you have cut the two pieces same way. Now to color this, here I have chosen two different shades of green because the color I want, it's not with me. So I'm going to mix these two colors and make the one. So here I have made the color after mixing the two colors. Now color this leaf. Make sure to color it in one direction, and this is the first coat done. Once the first coat is dry, then you have to color it with the second coat on both the sides. After the color is dry, this is how it looks like, and I have colored the one coat at the back side. Now at the center of this leaf, from the bottom side, mark 1 inch cut. This is how I have marked it, 1 inch at the bottom side, and cut it like I am showing you here. Now apply the glue, and while overlapping it, just stick the two pieces together so that it can hold the shape of a leaf, and this is how it looks like. Hope you get it. If you don't, just replay the video and then you will get it. It is so easy. Now the leaf shape is ready, as you can see here from both the sides. Now here I am going to take some colored rhinestones. You can use any stones of your choice. Now start applying the glue. Starting from the corner, I am going to give some gap within the stones, but you can stick it all together. That is up to you. And after sticking all of those, once I will finish sticking all the stones at the corner from all the leaf, then I will show you. You have to do the same thing on the second leaf also. Once it is finished, then I will show you. After it is done, this is how it looks like. As you can see here, it's already looks so good and festive. Now here I have taken 1 inch by 5 inch piece of two cardboards. Now glue these pieces together. You can use any hard cardboard or thick if you have. I don't have, so that's why I have stick two pieces. Now here I have taken 2 by 2 piece and I have covered it with the glitter sheet. Now take the first piece and now glue it. Leave the 1.5 inch space while you are sticking at the back of the leaf at the center, and this is how it looks like. You have to stick at the center while leaving the gap of 1.5 inch. Now take this 2 by 2 inch piece and apply the glue at the one corner, and at the same time apply the glue on the bottom corner of the leaf and stick this in such a way that it became a stand for the artifact. And this is how it looks like. Now I am going to stick these two rhinestones at the top of the leaf. You can choose any color of your choice. This is just depend on the imagination. I am just giving you the idea. And this is how it looks like. stick these type of rhinestones on both the leaves, and this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to stick the golden glitter sheet on this piece so that it won't look nasty, and this is how it looks like. I am going to cover this part also with a thin piece of glitter sheet. With the small things you will get your stuff very beautiful. And now these two pieces are ready. Now here I have cut some letters onto the glitter sheet. This is the stick on glitter sheet. If you don't have this, just take the simple glitter sheet and stick it with the help of Fevicol or the glue, and now stick it at the center of the leaf. This is very easy, or you can take the market bought one, and this is the first finish and the second one, and this is how both of them looks like. And now at the back of this I am going to add one string. Just glue this at the back of this to hang it, and stick it with a piece of paper or cardboard. And now take a green color marker and draw the veins like we have seen on the leaves. This is totally optional, but it will give a natural effect into the leaf. So this is how it's ready. Similar way I have done it onto the second leaf, and this is how it looks like when I hang it onto the wall. Hope you like this idea. And here I have put the candles, and I will show you before or after effect. After switching off the light, this is how it looks like. And now I am going to add the candles. So both ways you can make the difference. And now I am going to switch off the light, then I am going to show you, and you have seen how beautiful these looking. Hope you like this idea of making Shubh Labh for this festive season. You can decorate your home with no cost DIY, and if you like this easy idea of decorating your home this festive season, then do like, comment, share and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.